Worst feelings draft. Whoever gets the worst feelings is the winner. First up is making a joke first. No one hears it, and then someone else makes the same joke and everyone laughs.
Okay, there we go.
I wish I was high on pot noose.
I was high on pot. Dude.
Shut up.
Yo! I'll go 5.
I'll go 6.
I'll go 7.
You can have it.
All right, that's pretty good. I'll take it.
Next up is getting pump faked on a sneeze.
That's not bad.
I'll go $1.
You can have it.
Yeah, that's awful. Okay.
It's like awful as in it's not bad
It's not bad
enough.
at all.
Next up is realizing an assignment was due yesterday.
That's pretty bad. I'll go $3.
I'll go 4.
5.
You got it.
All right, I'll take that.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Next up is accidentally liking your crush's old Instagram post.
2.
4.
You can have it.
Really?
You can have it. Yeah, you can have it.
That's low-key a steal. Wait, that's kind of crazy.
No. It's like Riz if you think about it.
Next up is feeling your pocket and realizing your phone isn't there.
Bro, when one of the big 3 is not there, you know you're about to have a bad day. I'm going to bet 4.
I'll go 5.
8.
Okay, it's on my mind.
That's your remaining, yeah.
You got it.
Thank you.
Next up is stuttering during your presentation in front of the class.
You know, that's not that bad, honestly.
Okay, I'll go 1.
You can have it.
Okay. I mean,
That's not that bad.
All right, Nick, your last 2 are getting a flat tire with no help nearby.
Okay, that's really good. That's good.
it's like, eh.
That's really bad, bro. Like,
That's
what are you
bad.
going to do?
And your last one is getting your test and seeing that you're cooked on the first question.
That's pretty.
That's
bad.
pretty bad.
That's worse than like.
Hey, let us know in the comments who won.